In today's video, you're going to learn exactly how to restore your lost WhatsApp account. Let's say you mistakenly uninstalled your WhatsApp app or got a new device but don't know how to install WhatsApp account on that new phone with your data intact. Then I believe that by the time you're done watching this video, you'll be fully knowledgeable about how to go about this very process, because I'm going to reveal all that in this very video. Without further ado, let's get straight into this right away. Now, the first thing you have to do is to open up your Play Store or Apple Store depending on your device. Now, once you go there, go to the search bar and type in the keyword WhatsApp. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using WhatsApp Business. But if you don't have a business on WhatsApp, you can go with the normal WhatsApp. It's still the same process. And once you're done installing this, go ahead and click on the open button right there and agree to the terms and continue. Agree and continue. Now, you have to allow WhatsApp Business to send you notifications. Very important. So click that allow button and enter your mobile phone number. As you can see right here, my country is Nigeria. It's automatically going to select your country based on your IP address. Just pick your mobile phone number right there. But if your country is not selected, you want to pick your country, and please make sure the mobile phone number you're fixing in right there is the mobile phone number of the account you lost, and make sure you have it available with you, right? Make sure it is in the phone you are using to restore this very WhatsApp account. Then you click next. Now it's going to ask you, is this number correct? Of course, you click yes, and a code is going to be sent to your device. Make sure you copy that very code and paste it in the field provided. After that, you would arrive at this very page. All you have to do right now is to click allow, and click allow again, which is access to music and video and contacts. You're giving WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp access to music, video and content. Now you're going to be asked to provide the backup email you used for your WhatsApp account. Before you lost your WhatsApp account, if you had a backup and there's a certain email you used for this very backup, it's best to select that very email immediately. So I'm just going to do just that. Now once I click the email I used for my backup, this is going to bring us to this very page, which is asking us to create a passkey. Of course, you go ahead and click on continue. Now the email you use for your backup is what will determine whether or not you will retrieve your data. I'm going to go ahead and fix in my fingerprint right now, and once I fix in that fingerprint, this is going to load up and bring us to this very page. Right now, it's going to ask you to add an email or just skip this very process. We're going to say skip for now, and this is going to initialize and lock us into our WhatsApp account. As you can see right here, this is WhatsApp Business, and we're being asked to create a catalog right now. For the normal WhatsApp, I don't think you'll be asked to do this, right? So I'm just going to click not now. Now if you click on not now, there is still another way you can come back and create a catalog if you need to. To create that, it's simple. Simply head over to this tools section right here once this WhatsApp loads up, and you will see this very section right here that says catalog. Okay, this is where the process happens. Now you can see if I go to the chat section, all my data is available, starting from my chats to the groups I joined and even the broadcasts I created. Right, I'm just going to open up this very broadcast. You can see this is my broadcast with the 4 recipients intact, but I'm just going to delete this right now. But if you click the call section, it's going to be empty because it's just like you erased your data, right? But for the update section, you're going to see channels you created and channels you joined. Everything is going to be intact, and all the information you posted on your channel will still be intact. Same goes for groups and channels you joined. So this is basically it. I hope I've been able to solve your issue. If you have any question at all, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll be very happy to respond to you. If you also got value from this very video, I would appreciate it if you leave a like. And if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out whenever I drop cool updates like this. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.